Mbaara ya kuhurana na uhuthiri wa njohi thumu ni Makiria Gicigo-ini na eria ikoretwo yambikitwo ni munini wa president hamwe na mutumia wake Pastor Dorcas Rigathi Niyonekete kugia na Umithio.
If this man is dead, this woman will never get her husband.
Ni kurumirira hamwe aria makoretwo makigerera mubango wa kumateithia na gutigana na uhuthiri wa njohi ici gwika igongona ria uhiki kanitha-ini wa PCA yani Githunguri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu riria rihumbitwo riri ni Pastor Dorcas. Kihara na mwendwa wake Fidelis Njeri makorirwo makionoka mucondo-ini wa Urebi thutha wa gukorwo kioho-ini giki kwa ihinda iraya no makigunika na mubango wa kumateithia kuma kioho-ini giki rungu rwa mubango uria utongoragio ni Pastor Dorcas.
This program has helped vijana sana. So kitu ya kwanza tunafanya, when they come, we make sure there is a cup of tea and there is a loaf of bread. Number 2, we also use health professionals. So we have some people who do counseling. They come and speak to them in the angle of health.
Akiaria hindi igongona riri, Pastor Dorcas ni amagathiririe ni gutorania kioho-ini giki akiuga ati wari umwe wa iroto ciake riria ambikire mbaara ya njohi thumu guku bururi-ini.
I am a very, very proud mother today. This has been my prayer since I said we are going on the boy child program. The boy child program was meant to make sure that we get our boys from drug and alcohol addiction. We pray for them, we mentor them, we rehabilitate them, and they become what they have become.
Gukiri uguo, Dorcas ni augite ati ihinda ni rikinyu ria kwaga gukira riria ciiko ta ici cireyumiria amu njohi thumu hamwe na dawa cia kurebia no nginyagia cihuke kaimana.
Na atumia aria twi guku ona athuri aria mwi guku na ingiciria ihinda ni ikinyu mundu ona mundu ungiuraga uri ungi ucio ni muragani mukamwanirira njohi icio ni citwo. President aroigire mundu wothe ungiigua ati no arware ni undu wa kwaga kunyua njohi atwarwo thibitari ni akumurihira mbiro.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.